Hello and welcome. We're going to quickly show how a student can check in using the Infinite Campus mobile app. They normally start in the Today section, but if you're not there, you can click in the top left 3 horizontal lines and select Today. Once they do that, and it's during their class time, you notice that it says 10:09 on the clock. Go ahead and click Today for the student. There will be a section that says check-ins, and that check-in has an expiration time. So they have to get to that within the time allotted for the period. So they'll click on check-ins for attendance. And then there's just a big blue button that says, yes, I'm here. So click yes if you are participating in this class today at this time. So they click the button and it says check-in saved. And that's all a student has to do using a mobile device. Next, we're going to show how to do it using their Chromebook. So the other way to check in for Infinite Campus attendance is to use any type of web browser. Right now, we have the Heritage High School website open. And what we're going to do is get to ClassLink, which includes access to all our tools. Across that top row where it says Home, About, Parents, and so on, towards the right side is ClassLink. The student is going to click ClassLink. If you are already logged into your device, it will take you directly to the set of tiles. If you're not, you just click on Sign In with Google. And then here you'll need to select your account if it pops up, or it'll take you straight through. Listed on the screen are all the tools and apps connected to the account. We're going to click on Infinite Campus Portal, the light green button. And we can go ahead and skip this page. You don't have to save the login, especially since students renew their login at least once a year. We select Campus Student because right now we are a student. And it will, if you've already saved your username and password, it'll be listed there. And your username is just your 6-digit ID number. And then your password is the same password you use to log into your Chromebook. And now as a student has typed in their password and they click login, it may give a message asking them to confirm that they are not a robot. And when that happens though, sometimes their old password has reloaded. So they may have to, if they've recently done an update with their password, they may have to retype it manually after doing some of these things. And go ahead and retype your password again. Because when it loaded those checks for being human, sometimes it loaded an old password. We click login. This will look similar to the mobile app, except it's just stretched wider. But in the Today section, again, at the top of that left menu is where we will find our check-ins. So when we're on Today, there will be check-ins right underneath our picture and name. We click on the check-in for this period. And then again, the big blue button that says, yes, I'm here. Perfect. And that's how you check in for class. It's not too hard, and most students have very little issue with it. But if you're seeming to have problems, that's what you need to do.